either. Speech recognition in Google Chrome is a great feature, but it has an interesting flow which I like to show you now. So I conducted this simple HTML5 game that pretend to be the Tree of Wishes, and it says that the Tree of Wishes will make your wishes come true. Plant the tree, and while the tree is growing, say your wish in a loud and clear voice. So let's try this game. It takes me to full screen, but as we'll later see, it's not mandatory for the attack. Just make it simpler. And let's start the game. So I need to drag the seeds to the ground and ask for a wish. So I made a few wishes, prepared a few wishes, and let's see how it works. So the first one is, I wish for a decent security. Second wish, I wish for a decent privacy. I wish for world peace. The next one is an interesting one. I want a castle in the sky. I don't think you got it. I wish to have freedom of time. I wish to be with loved ones. And now the wise tree is processing my wishes, and it got 5 out of 6. So, but getting so I need to drugs. Okay, that's interesting. And I wish for a distant security. Oh no. I wish for a decent privacy. That's okay. I wish for world peace. That's correct. Just not in the right order, but. And I wish to be with loved one is correct also. So actually it's not the best result. I had betters, but it's okay for my accent and my excitement probably. But as you can see, there are absolutely no indication to the user that is being recorded. There are no other hidden windows, no other tabs. It's only this one. So we'll now see how it works. So the attack is based on this old speech recognition API that Chrome introduced. I think it was version 11. It's pretty old, but it works just fine. Google used to use it on their homepage, but now they use the more the newer, better, and fancier API. But some websites still uses it. As you can see, you enable it by clicking on this microphone icon, and it will recognize the speech now. And it got it. Almost. Again, probably accent issues. It's only for native English speakers. But you can see you get this indication box, and this is, as we'll see later, this is the main issue, that you can manipulate this indication box. So let's go back to the game and see what's going on. So if we look at the HTML code, we see that we also have here speech input, and if we change the background color, we can see it. Here it is. And you can change the size of it, the color, and the most interesting thing, that you can change the opacity, and it will stay completely functional. So you can play with the color, but you don't need to, because you can simply change the opacity to make it nearly invisible. And the other interesting bug is that once you clicked on, wait, let's put it in a demo mode. The other interesting bug is that once you click on it, every click on the page, no matter where, will be captured by the speech input. So even though the speech input is very big, it still doesn't cover all of the screen. You can make it cover all of the screen, but that's not needed. You only need to click it once. You only need to make the user click on it once, and then everywhere the user will click, it will start the speech recognition. So we can see it works. This is a test, and it got it. And the other thing is, as we saw previously, that it showed the indication box relatively to the speech input. So if we push the speech input to the right location, we can push also the indication box out of the screen. So this is great for a Mac, and on the Windows you will push it up. You can obfuscate it this way. So basically that's how it works.